Hey guys, I just wanted to update you on what I have been up to. I have been busy, but so far I have purchased some cheap scooters. Now, this one was the first one I got. It was going, but the petrol kept leaking, so I took apart that, put a new tap thing in, and it now goes. So that one's going. This one had a flat tyre. I went and got a new tyre put on and put that back in, but I haven't put the brakes back on because I tell you what, it was a pain in the ass. Other than that, I need to get a new battery or get the battery checked for this one to get it going. This one, it took us a while to find the battery. This one's working. So we took the old battery out because it wasn't working and it wouldn't charge. So I had this one from my other bike that I got in there and put it in, and it's charged, and it's acting like it wants to kick over, but it's not actually kicking over. So that, and I haven't really got proper screws for them to stay in. So I'll see if I can show you what this one's doing. Key is on. Hold the brake. No, the battery terminals aren't on properly. Try again. I need to get a proper screw. That's the front end. So we pulled it all apart. We found the battery. Because at first we thought it was down there. No. Took that out. It's not under there. No. Took this out. Not under there. No. It was behind a panel in the front. So you gotta be kidding me. So it's making a noise like it wants to start. And I did some research on YouTube. And I found, because it's been sitting for a while, other people have been taking the air filter off and then just putting their hand over to choke it. And first I need to find screws. Screws to make sure that that's in properly. So it's got this thing, I don't think it'll fit. Yeah, they won't fit in there because it's not the right battery. Pull this thing, oops, apart. I'm probably going to lose the screws later. This one might work. No, it just went straight down. Ah. Need it to be a perfect fit. I wonder what this other one has. What are you pair doing in there? Get out of there. Get out of there. As you can see, we've got a lot of crap accumulating, so have to get hold of a trailer soon and get rid of a bunch of that. Here's some screws from this one. We'll see if it'll fit. Nope. Nope. Dang it. Leave that in there. I should have a thing full of little screws here. There's a few. Out, come on. So, sit them on the back of the Miata. No, they're not little. There's a little one. Too thin. Too long. Too thin or too long? Actually, I don't even know what they're for. I don't think they'd be too long as well. Oh my god. I do have 2 screws for this bike, but they're not fitting into the hole. Hole is too big, I think. Now why don't stay on? This side stays on, alright? But this one. So, hold that on. Brake. Now. It's clicking. The terminal's not sitting on properly. There we go. Yeah. Hold the brake in with my arm. Thing's on. What is wrong with this thing now? No, it needs to be put on properly. But I don't know how to do that. So my camera stops at 9 minutes. Okay, so I don't know what you saw. This one I just tried to start by kick-starting it and it's not starting, but I need to hold that. This one, I've got to get the tools out. I'll probably do it tomorrow. But I want to take that off, put my hand over the thing and try and start it. But after I fix this. New glasses. I can't even see my screen. Okay. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.